Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am making the most popular summer cooler, Kairi ka Panna, also known as Kache Aam ka Panna. It's made with raw mangoes, and this is the time of the year we get lovely mangoes, raw as well as ripe, so we can enjoy refreshing drinks. So let's go and make.
These are the ingredients we'll require to make Kairi ka Panna. 3 mangoes, some mint leaves, organic jaggery powder, you can also use sugar, roasted cumin powder, rock salt, crushed black pepper, ginger, and water as required. Wash the mangoes well, wipe them dry. Peel the skin. You can also cook them with the skin, but I think peeling process is better. Peel all the mangoes. Discard the skins. Now place a pressure cooker on the gas. Put the mangoes. Add about 1 cup water. Close the cooker and cook for 5 whistles. After the steam is out, you can open the cooker. Now we'll set it aside for the mangoes to cool. After about 5 or 7 minutes, the mangoes are cooled and we are going to mash them now. Transfer them into a glass bowl. Don't throw away the water, we will add it later. Now with the hand, remove all the pulp from the mangoes. Squeeze them very well so that everything is out. The mangoes are very small, but this quantity also will make about 7 or 8 servings. Now discard the seeds. Now transfer the pulp into the blender. Also add the water from the pressure cooker. Add 2-3 pieces of ginger. Now the quantity of ingredients depends on the pulp. Black peppers, about 1/4 teaspoon. Half teaspoon of roasted cumin powder. Rock salt to taste. Few mint leaves. Mint really adds to the flavor. Organic jaggery. Right now I am adding 3 teaspoons. Later we will check the taste depending on the sourness of the mangoes and add if needed. add about 2 cups of water. Close the lid and blend it. Now strain this juice to discard the chunky pieces of ginger and mint leaves. Now we are going to check the taste. I think the mangoes are quite sour, so we need to add little more salt and jaggery. All this quantity depends on your taste and liking and also the sourness of the mangoes. I am adding 3 more teaspoons of jaggery. If you don't like jaggery, you can even add sugar. Now transfer this concentrated liquid in a jar. You can store it in the refrigerator and dilute it whenever you want and make the drink. It stays good for few days. Now we will make the drink. Take a glass, pour about 5 to 6 tablespoons of this concentrated liquid, some ice cubes, top it up with water. Take chilled water, mix it well. Sprinkle a little roasted cumin powder on top and a pinch of freshly crushed black pepper. Garnish with a mint sprig. Your drink is ready for you.
So friends, this is really a nice and refreshing summer cooler. Easy to make and delicious to taste. It really tastes divine. Little bit sweet, tangy, and with the taste of roasted cumin powder. It's amazing. You must give it a try. And it's such a easy way you can prepare this concentrate and store it in the refrigerator. Whenever you want, you can just dilute it with chilled water, ice, and enjoy the drink.